This same content creator, which we talked about in a previous video, seems to have managed to get his hands onto a TCA peel, which is a trichloroacetic acid peel. As I mentioned in the previous video, medium to deep peels on Asian skin is not advisable because of the risk of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Even if you are able to get good results with the indentations, you are likely to suffer from the after effects of pigmentation for a while, and that would require another round of extensive treatment. So I can't say I'm surprised again, because it's almost a certainty that he's going to end up with a bad outcome when he uses chemical peels. So once again, I would advise him seek treatment from a medical professional instead of using a DIY peel, especially something that's so strong like TCA. I think a good modality in his case would be a radiofrequency microneedling treatment, because it allows us to deliver precise energy to precise depths of the skin without overheating the skin surface.